A handyman visited my family, and when asked about this problem, about the drawers that just don't roll correctly or that wobble or that seem to slip out, he told my family that the whole kitchen needs to be replaced, all the drawers need to be replaced, and new slides need to be put in. And there's frankly no fix for this job. That would mean thousands of dollars in renovation, and that's not something our family was prepared to deal with. Now, while it's a little dinged up, this roller is still functional. And then I want to show you the one that we're going to replace. See how it really struggles to turn. It's flattened on some edges and wobbles easily. This is just a sign of wear and tear, and these types of materials aren't made to last forever. And at some point you will need to replace them. Now, this style drawer, which was popularized in the 70s, contains a center track which partially bears the weight of the drawer, but also contains a bent hood that provides the roller a track to move easily back and forth. With the drawer out, simply unscrew the old mount. Now, because the hole pattern didn't match up identically, we went ahead and marked off and drilled new holes for the new mount. These steel mount brackets contain a riveted nylon roller at its base. Now, you got to keep in mind when you're shopping for these and trying to fit it to your own cabinets, make sure that the roller is on the correct side, otherwise you will have to reorientate the track. Should we try it out? Let's quickly run through that same process on our second drawer. So I want to mention again, when you're shopping for these things, not only are you going to be looking to match the shape and the size, but you also need to match which side the roller is on.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. I can't even believe it. It's not like drooping. Whoa, the happy dance. Oh, here. That is, oh man, thank you guys. Thank you, thank you.